Okay, today is December 31st, 2018, and I'm going to go in and see what the garden looks like. I've got leaves on everything. I've got to do some work on my greenhouse. It's got a few holes in it. Of course, this is the second year on the plastic. Plastic come from big box store. I've got some onions and under there, just a test trial. Got some onions and radishes and lettuce. Just a test trial, see what goes on with it. I've got the same thing sowed in this one. My water catchment system for the summer, I've got it bypassed. Got a little bit of a mess back here. We'll try to clean that up. Working on my fence around to keep rabbits out. It's hopefully it'll work this summer. I gotta work on my scarecrow a little bit. There's my rack where I put my plants. Whole strawberry bed. Rose of Sharon bush is doing fantastic. My front porch, my garden beds. This is my barrel that I can take and burn, and it's safe. Got another bed here. Here's my worm bin. I got leaf mold in that, and this right here, and also in these. Here's my compost bins. Stage 1 is right here. Right here is stage 2. Then I turn it over to stage 3. Turn it over to stage 4. And here's my sifting station. It's where I can take and put it in there in the big chunks, take and go to the bottom, and I take them and put them in that barrel right there. These trash cans, I have biochar in it that I make. This is my first attempt to doing anything on video in the garden. Here's my strawberry barrel. Here's going to be my potato patch, second year in a row. I've got some hay on this side, and I'm doing me a test. Gypsum, which is the same as sheetrock. But anyway, I've got some pieces, and I'm putting it in there to see what that does to the soil. Raspberry bush. Got my grapevine, and I've been working on it, getting the bars and everything out of it. Another Rose of Sharon bush. Right here's a broad fork. Right there's a broad fork that I made. It's not perfect, it works fair. I've got a comfrey bush plant right there. I've got my blueberry bush from Minnie's sprout, and here's my blackberries. Here's where I have my watermelons, two different little plantings. Anyway, this is just an overview of the garden. This is the last day of 2018. Looking forward to spring.